Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you more cool games. Okay, start with face detection. Here is the tip for you. The maximum detection distance is 1 meter. When the robot recognizes human face, it will wave his leg. Okay, continue. Tag recognition. The maximum recognition distance is 50 centimeters. Please take out these 3 tag cards. When recognizing different cards, it will perform different actions. Click Start Recognition. Having recognized tag 1 card, it will wave his leg. When recognizing tab 2, it will move 6 legs. When recognizing tab 3, it will twist his body. Okay, come to the last game, Obstacle Avoidance. Click Start. The robot will start crawling and automatically avoid the obstacle. Okay guys, I have shown you all the games. Bring your SpiderPi Pro to have a try.